Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Breathing Spell. Today I'll share a small video of beef Rezala curry. But before that, I'll share the view in front of my house. Really, it's a magical moment as the view around me is so illuminated by the splendor of this pleasant weather sunset. You can see the view and the sun begins its descent toward the horizon. The sky transforms into a breathtaking masterpiece right before my eyes. Really, the temperature is just right, neither too warm nor too cool, allowing me to revel in comfortable embrace of this pleasant weather. And the birds, really, the birds creeping melodiously. Really, their songs waving a symphony of nature's harmony. It is a serene and picturesque moment, really inviting me to pause, breathe, and fully immerse myself in the beauty of this tranquility. So it's a great day to cook my family's favorite food. Let's start my cooking. Actually, beef Rezala is a rich and flavorful curry originating from the royal kitchens of Bangladesh and India. To make this delicious dish, start by marinating bite-sized beef pieces in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices like turmeric, cumin, and cardamom. Then heat oil in a pan and saute onions until golden brown. And the marinated beef along with the paste made from cashews, poppy seeds, and peanuts. Cook until the meat is tender and the flavors are infused. Take another pan, heat desi ghee and saute onions until golden brown. Put the tarka in the tender meat. Finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve this aromatic beef Rezala curry with steamed rice or naan for a delightful mouth-watering meal. So enjoy this flavorful mouth-watering curry with your family. It's so delicious. I hope you'll not regret. So keep watching and enjoy cooking. Thank you so much guys for subscribing my page. Bye.